What's that? You gotta leave it flat, baby. Look.
See? See the balloon? I see the balloon.
What?
I see the balloon. I see the balloon. I see how the balloon. I see the balloon.
I see the balloon. What's that? What is that? Gotta leave it down, baby. Look. Leave it. You put the shoe. You put the slide. Where's the head? Get the head. Put the head. There you go. You did it. What about the ears? What about the ears? You do. Here's one. You do the other. You do. You do. Good job with the balloon. Good job. Look, get the balloon. Put it down. You do. Uh-oh, shoe came off. You did it. You did it. Good job. High five. High five. Give me 5. Do it again. High five. Jensen, high five. There's the head, and the ears, and the pants, the slide. Uh-oh. Gotta fix the slide. Got the shoe. All right, come on, you gotta put it flat. There you go. Want Mama to fix it? Yeah, look. Here you go. I'm gonna do the shoe. What's that? That's the balloon. About the ears. You do it. You show me where the ears go. All right, I'll help you. And I got the balloon. Yay! High five! Good job!